Good afternoon. So before starting that section, first of all, I just tell about myself. Laterly, I bring you to the today section. So myself, Shaktivel Kumar, totally have the 12 years of experience in this particular UI web design field. I'm only going to upskill you people upcoming 4 months in this particular UI web design field. Okay, this is all about myself. Now I'm coming to the today session. So today, what we are going to do the discussion now. What is it UI? What is it UX? Through the UI UX, what we able to do, why one company they are hiring a UI web designer, what is the future of UI web design, what are the tools we need to learn, like those things we are going to do the discussion in here today session. Okay, so now I'm coming to that point. What is the meaning of UI? UI means user interface. Okay, so in day-to-day life, we are using a lot of applications. So maybe mobile app or web application, we are using a lot of application. In that all the application, what you people are seeing in your screen, that name we call here UI. So for example, here I'm taking a Zepto kind of application. So if people are seeing this app, right? Here people are seeing one app, right? In that app, before here people are seeing a screen, right? That name we call a UI. For designing this UI, designing like this application, okay, so begins that lot of processes there. For example, begins that one UI web designer, they designed a application, they did a proper research, and also developer, they developed their own application. Laterally, we are seeing like this interface in our mobile phone or in our tablet or in our desktop. Okay, so what is the meaning of UI means? UI means user interface. What you people are seeing on screen, that name we call here UI. For example, in that Zepto application, you people are seeing a image, buttons, and also font if people are seeing. And some of that interactions also if people are seeing here. Those all the things name we call here UI. So for example, if I tap this fruits and vegetables, if they are bringing me to the fruits and vegetable page, there I am able to see a lot of products. Okay, here if people are seeing your buttons, right? That button also it's kind of your UI. Image also it's kind of your UI. That means look and feel of application. And same time, if I'm coming to the red bus, for example, I plan to search a bus. Okay, from Hyderabad to your native, if people are searching, then you people are getting a result. Those results also, what you people are getting as the result, button, text, icon, and what are the things you people are seeing here, that all the thing we call a UI. Exactly, if I want to tell what is that UI means user interface. What is the meaning of user interface? It's a graphical layout of one application. That means look and feel of one application. Look and feel of one application. So this name, what we call now, we call here UI, like that we call. If I want to design one UI, what I need to do before that means you people need to do the research. That means UX. Okay, you people need to do that research. And what is that exact meaning means? For example, if I'm here, I'm using a Zepto application. I'm using your Zepto application. While I'm using a Zepto application, what is my experience? What I feel? That name we call a user experience. What we call a user experience, like that we call. Okay. So for example, guys, if I want to do the chatting, I want to do the chatting. What are the apps is there in front of me? WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, like, and also if people are having a Snapchat, like that, we have a lot of applications. I'm correct, Aram? Which one is your favorite app? WhatsApp. Mostly WhatsApp. Most of the people they like WhatsApp. So why you people are telling WhatsApp is my favorite app? Because there you people are feeling better experience. You people are getting a better user experience. For that reason, you people are telling WhatsApp, it's that my favorite app. I'm correct, Aram? So for example, in this particular area, why WhatsApp you people are telling means, for example, if I want to chat with my friend, I'm able to chat through the text. That chat I want to bring into next level, then I'm able to make a audio call. That audio call I want to make to video call. Those things it will be happen in a within a click, within a one click, chat to audio, audio to video, like that able to make the changes. And also this entire WhatsApp chat is a encrypt one. And that encrypt one is there, right? That one is providing a security to me. And what is the chat with me and my friend? It's a secure one. So for that reason, I like WhatsApp. Got the point, right? I like WhatsApp. So once you people are getting a better experience through that one application, means what happens means you people are daily people are start to use that app. Once you people are daily start to use that app, means what happened? That particular brand they are getting a good business. Got the point, right? That particular brand they are getting a good business. So for example, what is the meaning of experience? I will bring you into that another example. I will bring you to that another example. So I'm back to that Google kind of application. Okay. So here I'm going to search eLearn Infotech, like that I'm going to search eLearn Infotech, like that I'm going to search. So what I'm getting some of the result. In the result also people just see here, what is this color? purple. What is that color here? It's that blue. I'm correct, Aaron. Why they are showing here in purple? Why they are showing here in a blue? Why they are
Because there,
already they open? This one still
yes,
open. So showing a colors, what I able to do? I able to show the differentiation. Already those people they open, still now they're not open, like that I able to show the differentiation. So through this one, what they are providing a better experience to me. Got the point, right? What is the meaning of experience? So again, I'm coming to that point. We have a lot of colors. Okay, why they are particularly they are using the purple and blue? Not soft. Any other?
because a color blind person don't
Exactly. Exactly. In old world, we have here 5% of people, they are a color blindness people. They're not able to read the colors. Those people, they're able to identify the difference between those colors. So, sir, you now only you told me they are a color blindness people. For those people, how they able to read purple and blue, sir? For those people, it's look like a shade of gray. For example, here I'm showing this one and this one, both are gray only, right? But we have a differentiation, right? You people able to feel the difference, right? Address and that flat number 40, you people able to see the difference, right? Same like that only for those people, this one it's looked different. Okay, so for that reason only Google they are picked here the purple and blue. If you go to the Google UI designer team, you go and ask those people who's your targeted audience. They told everyone. Everyone means what? So educated, uneducated, physically challenged, and normal people. Everyone, male, female, everyone is my targeted audience. Like that only they are there. So in UI designer team at Google, they will put all kind of people in their brain. They are designing one application. Even though in future people are designing one application, means you need to put that one in your mind also. Physically challenged people, you need to consider those people. You need to design your application. So it's clear, right? Same like that. Now I'm coming to that point. Who's the competitor of Google? ChatGPT. Most of the people they are telling ChatGPT, ChatGPT, ChatGPT. So now I'm coming to that point. What is the ChatGPT? So you people know, right? It's one of your open AI. Okay. So for example, if I'm coming to the ChatGPT, I'm asking one question here. So who is UI UX designer? Like that, I asked a question in a ChatGPT. Same this question I'm asking to the Google also. I asked a Google. Now I'm going to ask a ChatGPT. ChatGPT, it's giving a single answer to me, but it's taking a lot of time. I'm correct? If same like that, if I'm coming to that Google, what happened? I'm able to get a result in that all the format, text format, image format, video format, book format, and websites also able to get. And same time, what I'm getting a result here, I able to listen that one as a audio. Same like that, I able to translate that text to my mother. I'm correct. So same like that, if I'm coming to the ChatGPT, what are the features they are providing me? Only listen, translate they're not providing. Okay, and also I'm getting a single format of result. That means text format of result only I'm getting here. If I want to get a image, again I want to ask a ChatGPT, give me the image, give me that video still now they're not bringing, image they bring. So now you people just tell me in the two kind of application, which one it's you people are getting a better experience, ChatGPT or Google? Google only, right? I'm correct, Aran. So while the ChatGPT is coming, okay, those time all the people they are telling ChatGPT it's going to replace your Google. Definitely not. So Google, they are providing a much more futures. I'm correct, Aran. Who they are using a ChatGPT, guys? Only educated people. Those who are working in IT, those who are studying a college. What about Google? Even though everyone they are using. I'm correct. You people are using a YouTube. It's a Google product. You people are using a Gmail. If you want create a account, if you want to use one smartphone, you need one Gmail account. I'm correct. Every uneducated people they are having a Gmail account. They are using the mobile phones. So Google, it's providing a better usability to the people. For that reason only, Google is the number one company in your globe. For that much more understanding, what is that UX? Again, I will bring you into that another one. So once again, guys, I will repeat what is the meaning of user experience. User experience means it's that overall experience and emotional while we are using a product or service. Through the UX, what I able to improve means I able to improve the accessibility and usability of application. Maybe people are having a doubt. Sir, what is the meaning of usability? I okay. What is the meaning of accessibility, sir? Like that, maybe people are having a doubt. Now I'm coming to that point. So before that, we discussed, right? So that color changes and translate and listen, those future is here usability. What is it meaning of accessibility? For that accessibility, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bring you people to that WhatsApp. So for example, in front of you, I'm showing you two different UI. One is that old version of WhatsApp, another one is the new version of WhatsApp. What is the difference between these two screens? The chat and updates they given to downside. Why they move to the downside? Easy to access. I'm correct, Arun. So for example, if I'm using my mobile phone in a single hand, like that you just consider, I'm using my mobile phone in a single hand. If I want to tap at the top side, it's creating somewhat discomfort to me and it's not providing a better accessibility to me. But if now they given to the downside, for that reason, what happened? Easily I able to tap, I able to navigate into that next option. So top side, if they are while they are providing, it's not providing a better accessibility like that they find, they move to the downside. For what? For improve the accessibility, of your application. Same like that. What is the meaning of usability like that? If you're asking now, here itself, before they given a chat, right? They given only text. Now what they added? They added a icon. Why they added a icon? For better understanding. For a better understanding. So for example, WhatsApp, uneducated people also they are using. How they are using? Just they are seeing the icons. Oh, this is the chat. Like that they tap. They are seeing your profile picture. Just they tap, they enter into your profile. And if they want to chat, what they are going to do? They are providing a voice chat. They are going to hold that mic symbol. They are going to speak. They are sending a message to us. I'm correct, right? Like that way, they are communicating with us, right? So that is at what? Usability. And where I'm going to given those options. That name we call a accessibility. What we call? We call a accessibility like that we call. Now clearly people understand, right? What is that UI and what is that UX? For more understanding, I'm bringing you people into that one of your real-time project. So recently in our company, we designed one website. That website name called a Nandri Masala. Nandri Masala. Now, what are the things people are seeing in your screen? This is that website. If I want to design the website, okay, if I want to create like this website, behind that, we did some of the process. What are the process I did? How I designed this website? Now, stage by stage, I'm explaining to you people clearly. Okay, first of all, if what I did means you people need to follow your UX process. Okay, first stage, I'm going to do the research. Second, define. Third, ideate. Fourth stage is a design. And fifth stage is the testing. So one by one, I will tell you. First stage, I'm in your research. First of all, here what I did means I conducted a client interview. I contacted my client. I asked those people few of the requirement. What are the things they expect from me like that I asked. For example, I asked those people which kind of application you needed like that I asked. So in front of those people, I'm given a three options. One is that web app. Another one is that Android app. Another one is that iOS app. Three different kind of applications we have. So in that particular area, my client, they picked a web application. Why my client, they picked a web application? Means if they pick a Android, user they able to use in only in Android mobile phone. If they pick a iOS, they able to use in Apple only. If they pick now website, right? When they pick a website, all the devices they able to use. Android mobile phone, iOS mobile phone, tablet, desktop, like different types of devices they able to use a websites. So for that reason, my client here, they picked the option name called a web application like that. One application they picked here. And same time, I asked my client here, who's the targeted audience like that I asked. My client is giving me the data here. Two set of people is a targeted audience. One people, they are from a city. Another people, they are from a village. So two category people they are given. That means one is the educated people. Another one is that uneducated people. So two different type of targeted audience in front of me now is there like that I gathered the data. Literally what I did means I went to that competitive analysis. So what is it? Why I need to do the competitive analysis? For example, my client business is that masala packets. They are selling a masala packets. So what I did here means in this particular area. So what are the competitors is there? For example, this is that masala. So in front of me, I'm taking two competitors. One is that Shakti Masala, another one is that Tachi Masala. So two different people. I'm checking their websites also. I'm checking what is that strength and weakness of my competitor also. I checked, I gathered some of the information. Laterally, I jumped to the research. Research means here what I did means I conducted an interview with my users. For example, two set of users is there. One set of people from the city, another set of people from the village. City people already they have aware about that online shopping application. Why means those people regularly they are using a Zepto, Blinkit, Amazon, Flipkart, like that. All the shopping application they are using, they are familiar with that app. Those people they are not faced that much of problem. But when I'm coming to that village, okay, village people, that means uneducated people, they don't know how to place the order. like that they told me some of the pain point. They told me some of the pain point. I gathered the pain point. So literally what I did means I went to the defined state. Okay, so here what I did means I'm went to that client. I told to my clients, so this set of people, they are facing like this problem. Our competitor, they are having this much of tenth, this much of the weakness they have. So we need to design, we need to go like this, like that. I told to my client in a defined state. That means in defined state, you people need to define the problem statement. For example, blindly, I'm not able to tell to those people, they are facing like this problem. Which set of people they told me I'm not able to place the order in online. I don't know how to place that order. Village people. Then I need to tell what is their background, what kind of people they told me, which age category people they told me. Like that entire thing I just created. I told those people here. Laterally, what I did here means I'm moving to that ideation stage. What is the meaning of ideate? So I'm going to sketching an idea. So village people, what they told me, I don't know how to place the order. Those kind of people, what we need to do, one time if I train the people how to place the order in online, next time onwards what they are going to do, they are going to do that one. I'm correct, Aram? Even though how we trained our grandmother to that mobile phone, smart mobile phones, one time we trained, laterally they are going to use that. I'm correct, Aram? So I plan one time we need to create awareness to people how to place that order. Like that I plan. And also next I'm jumping to the design strategy. What is the meaning of design strategy means? For example, here my set of users, okay, my users, they are from a village. I want to reduce the interactions. I want to reduce that interactions. That means stages I want to reduce. Step by step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1 login, step 2 home page, step 3. Like that, I want to reduce those steps. Why means long time if I navigate a people into that application, they are getting a confusion. So what I did means here I created a proper user flow and proper information architecture. I created a proper user flow and I created a proper information architecture. And there also I did somewhat strategies also. For example, in this particular application, first of all, top bar menu, laterally on carousels. Through the carousels, I'm going to show the offers. So that carousels after few seconds, what happened means that banner automatically it will be get changed. Why automatically that banner it get changed here? Like that people are asking now. So because then only I able to get the attention of the people in this particular banner. If you just see, it's get changed. After 10 seconds, what happened? Again, next image it will be get changed. After sometimes what happened means again that image it will be get changed. So through this one, what happened means I able to get a attention of the user here. Suddenly somewhat changes is there. Then what happened? Automatically our focus it will be going there. And also what I did here strategy, another strategy. One time I want to watch the people the video how to place the order. What I did, I created a banner like this. How to place that order. I'm given in a swinging motion. Why added in a swinging motion? Directly your eyes it will be get catched. People they are getting attention on that corner only. I'm correct. Once they tapped, what happened? They able to get a video. They able to play the video. If they play the video, how to place that order? I told those owners, you just design that. You just explain once. You take the screen record. You just make some video and give to me. We will add in our website like that. We told they given as it is. I designed as it is. Clear, right? Now what happened? Uneducated people also they able to make a art. So normally, if you are coming to that flow here, you just see if I'm back all the products. If I'm given add to cart, step 1, they are in a product page. They added a items. What are the items they needed? Step 2, they are going to the view cart, process to checkout. Then what happened? They are asking a login. I'm going to log in a user. Something network issues will be happen. Just give me a second. So after logging, they able to check out. Address also is there. Process to check out like that. If I'm given, automatically it's going back to that payment page. Payment page also what I did now is just simplify that payment page. If you are go to the Amazon Zepto kind of application, that entire user flow is there in a somewhat different. I created here that user flow somewhat different. Why means my targeted audience they are from village also. Zepto, any user they are from village? No, right? Those who are in urban cities only they are the targeted audience. I'm correct. So you people understand the strategy, right? So for when we are consider the village people, what we need to do, we need to simplify our user flow also. then only we are able to provide a better usability to the people. Okay, so that name only we call a user flow like that. Next one is that after the design strategy, every strategy I did means literally what I'm going to do means I'm going to design a low futility wireframing prototypes. Low futility means, for example, now I have an idea how that output is going to come on to me like that. I need to do the rough sketch using a pen and paper or using a system. Pen and paper means nothing. It's going to look like this only, guys. So using a pen and paper, how that app is going to look on to me like that, I'm going to do the rough sketch for my understanding purpose. Once this ideation is get over, next what I'm going to do now, I'm moving to the design. I'm going to do the high fidelity wireframing designs using a Figma XD kind of software. I'm going to design my application sketch. While I'm designing here also, I have a lot of things: typography, colors, color scheme, design system. First of all, typography. What is it meaning of typography? What are the font I'm going to use in that particular website? What are the font I'm going to use in this particular website? Like that, if I design that name, we call here typography. And color. Here, I picked red as the primary color. Why I picked the red as that primary color? Because red, it's indicate here spicy. Masala means what? Spicy products. So for that reason, I picked here the red as the primary. I created application in a red color. I included a red color like this and the yellow like that color I included here because those colors it's belong here, spicy, masala, those colors. So that color scheme also we need to check. And design system is there. What is it meaning of design system means? Entire guidelines of your design. Which type of typography we need to use? What is that font style? What are the color shades we need to use? What is the text color? What is that icon color? What is that button color? Like that, if I design that name, we call it a design system. That design system, you people need to create in your high fidelity wireframing. That means in your design part. Laterly, I'm going to create a clickable prototypes. What is the meaning of clickable prototypes? For example, in this website, while my mouse enter, what happened? Somewhat animation it will be happen. After that only I'm getting view now, view now. Why I added it like this interaction? For engaged a user in this particular website. If I'm not engaged a user in this particular website, what happened? They will feel bored. I'm correct, right? And same time here you just see animations. After my mouse enter, like this color changes. Those things it's a interactions. Even though you people just take it here, guys, don't turn on your videos, guys. Okay. So even though if people are going to the Zepto kind of Zomato kind of application, food delivery applications, you people are placed your order, your process is get over. Literally what they are showing? They are showing a delivery by animation. Why they are showing like this animation? Where that my delivery partner like that, you people are getting. And also you people are still now, you people are interact with that app. They engage the people in that particular application. I'm correct, Karan. I want to engage the people in my application. So for that reason, what I did means I added like this color changing, like this interactions I added here. Got the point, right? So this one also it's a design strategy only. That one where I planned that all the thing in the ideation stage itself. Design strategy. That strategy only I implemented in my prototype here. Once the design is get over, laterally what I'm going to do? I'm going to do the test. What I need to do test. For example, how I conducted an interview with starting stage. That people, again, I'm sending my design here. I told those people, use this design, check my design, everything it's okay or not. Like that, if I'm getting a feedback, if they told any corrections, I'm going to implement that correction in my applications. Once everything it's get completed, my testing it's get passed, then only I'm going to give on to the developer to develop the application. Laterally, developer, what they are going to do now, they are going to develop the application. For example, I will show here a few of the testing sample. Okay, just give me a second.
Hi, sir. Sorry to disturb you.
Yeah.
Sir, is there any process to use only for this font for this particular website or app, the color segments, these type of things?
Yeah, one application, the color is going to get changed, right? For example, if I'm creating a grocery app like that, you just consider. There I'm going to sell vegetables like that, you just consider. Definitely I'm going to pick your green color. Why? Green, it's indicate a fresh. So app to app, that strategy is going to get changed. Okay?
Yeah, okay, sir. So this all will come in the theories, no?
No. Theory and practical way also, people are going to do this, all the things.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, just give me a second. And now I'm coming to the testing. I told you, right, before given to the developer, you people need to check your application. For example, here I designed one application. In that app, what is the test result? Already I conducted test result. So averagely, people, they have spent that time here, 21.5 seconds they spent it. Then my task time, that duration is get reduced here. Then my application is good. Success rate 100%. Drop shadow 0%. Misclick rate 0%. If in case misclick rate is I means what I need to do, again I need to do the redesign of my application. I'm correct, Arun. And also, while I'm conducting a testing, guys, what I able to get means people how they interact with my app. You people able to get that one. For example, where they tapped, okay, how much time they are taken here, misclick rate it's happened here or not, like that entire thing clearly you able to get here from the usability test. If any corrections is there, I'm going to make the correction. Laterally, I'm going to give on to the developer. Developer, what they are going to do? They are going to develop the application. After developing an application, they are going to launch the application. Once they launch, that kind of websites only people are seeing in your mobile. Behind that, this much of process is there. Simply, we are not developed the application. Behind that, this much of process is there. Okay. So finally, if people are seeing that application like this, begins that I did this much of stages, this much of steps I did stage by stage, stage by stage, stage by stage. Finally, we launched the application. For that reason only, those application it's providing a better usability. For that reason only, user if they are spending a more time on your online applications. Clear, right? So now I'm bringing to people. So now what you people know, what is it meaning of UI? What is it meaning of UX? So now clearly people understand through that examples. Now I'm coming to that point. Why companies they are hiring a UI web designer? Why they needed a one UI web designer? Now I'm coming to that point. Before the UI web designer in the industry, developer what they are going to do means they are conducting a client interview, guys. Okay, client, what are the points they are telling? That point they included, blindly they start to develop the application. Those application it's not providing a better usability to the people. Once that application it's not providing a better usability, what happened? People they're not going to use. People they are not using, what happened? Client they're not able to get a profit. Correct? Client they're not able to get a profit. So after this one, what happened now? After coming the UI web design, okay, they are did a proper research. Through the research, they are designing application. For the reason now it's providing a better usability. For example, now I'm going to do the research with you people. In front of you, I'm showing one banking application. What is that major purpose of one banking application? Can you tell me? What is that major purpose of one banking application?
Check the balance, transfer the money.
Check the balance, transfer the money, transactions, investment. That one only is that important thing in your banking application. You just check here where they are providing that option. They are provided at that bottom. Then it's going to provide a better usability. No, right? So now if people just tell me, in front of you, 4 options is there. One is that recharge. You people are doing a recharge with your banking application, or you people are using a GPay, PhonePe? PhonePe, GPay, third party app only people are using. You people are not using your banking application, right? Then I provided a recharge at first, it's going to provide a better usability. No, right? I'm correct. Now, which one you people needed first? Account detail. Account details. Okay, I move to that account detail to first. What is the next one?
Transactions.
Mobile banking. Literally, maybe bill payment, credit card bill payment. Now, 2 same options, but 2 different interface. Which one is providing a better usability to people? Second one, I conduct one research with you people, right? I asked you people only told me which one you needed first, which one you people needed second. I'm correct. This method name we call here card sorting. It's one of your research technique. I implement the research technique with you people. I gathered your information. I gathered your feedback. I rearranged that application. Now you people are telling me, sir, first second one is providing a better usability. Now you people understand now what is the worth of your research. If I'm not getting a proper research, what happens? That app definitely is not going to provide a usability. Okay, so before the UI web designer in industry, what is a project timeline means? 6 to 8 months of month they are taken to complete one project. Oh, what is that month? 6 to 8 months. That means before the 2016. Before the 2016 in India, there is no UI web designer team. In Western countries, they have the UI web designer team. After 2016 only, what happened now? Slightly they start to implement. Now what happened means every startup company, they needed a 3 UI web designer. Like that thing, it's get changed. Okay, after coming the UI web designer, what happened means the timeline it's get reduced to 3 to 4 months. How is it? After coming UI web designer, almost half of the timeline it's get reduced for one project. How that one it will be possible means UI web designer, they are doing a proper research. They created a usability application, good usability application. Rework it's not coming. Definitely rework it will be not coming. And same time, if you want UI web designer, they designed one app means developer they able to get a code from the design. For example, here in Figma we have one future name called a developer mode. If I turn on a developer mode, I'm a developer like that. You just consider. Now, if people are designer, they are going to hand over the design through the developer mode. I came here. I want to develop this banking in my programming language. Then what I'm going to do now? I'm going to get here. For example, I'm planning to design an Android application. then most of the Android developer, they are using a XML software. If I tap here, that coding is there at that part. Exact coding is there, as like that people are asking. No, 75% of coding is there. So 50 to 70% of coding is there here itself. I need to do small changes in your development. And same time, if I want to develop a iOS, Shift UI, most of the developer Shift UI only they are using. That coding also is there. Then what happened? Automatically, project timeline, it's get reduced. Once project timeline it's get reduced, what happened? Your company they able to do the n number of projects. One n number of project they did means what happened? They able to get a good revenue. Annual turnover, if they able to get more. So through the UI designer, totally 4 people they are getting in. First one, user, because they are getting a better usability application. Second one, client, your client. User they will happy means client they are getting a good business. Who's the third one? Developer. They are getting a coding. And your company also they will get you happy because project timeline it's get reduced now. So revenues will be getting increased. For that reason only, industry they are paying a high pay salary to the UI designer. Industry they are paying a high pay salary to the UI UX designer. Just give me a second. Once again, I will come. What is the meaning of UI? What is the meaning of UX? UI means what? User interface. That means look and feel of one application. That means graphical layout of application. How app is going to look to end user. That is a UI. What is the meaning of UX? User experience. What is that experience and emotional while they are using the product? Experience, you know. What is the meaning of emotion? For example, continuously people are using a WhatsApp, right? Continuously people are using a WhatsApp means what is that meaning? You people are emotionally connected with WhatsApp. You people are feeling good. Yeah. So you people are feeling happy. What you people are doing? You people are going to put your status, happy status, one song. I'm correct. You people are buying new iPhone. What you people are doing? Status. Unboxing status. You people are feeling down. What you people are doing? You people are fight with your friends. What happened? You people are putting on status. I'm correct. So nowadays we are start to express our emotion through the apps only. Someone today they are feeling good or they are feeling bad. How you people know? While you people are seeing WhatsApp, their Instagram stories, you able to get that. That much emotionally we connected here. I'm correct. That one only we call here user experience. Through the UX, what I able to do? I able to improve the usability and accessibility of the application. It's clear, right? Okay. Now I'm coming to the next topic. If you want to become a successful UI web designer, in your career, then what are the tools I want to learn, sir? That is a lot of question for you people. I'm correct. So now we are going to do the discussion about the tools, guys. So I hope you people are getting this brochure, right? Just give me a second.
Yeah.
Okay. So for do the high fidelity wireframings and the prototype. High fidelity wireframings and prototype. So what are the tools we need to use? Maybe we are going to learn means Figma, XD, Marvel. Okay. So you people know what is the meaning of high fidelity wireframing? That means what? Exact screen design. Okay. What is that meaning of prototype? That one I'm bringing you people. For example, I'm in a Figma. Okay, I'm in a Figma. Here, I designed one login page, OTP page to people guys. If I'm given to that user this page, how they are going to interact in this particular interface? Can you tell me right now? They are going to enter the mobile number. Okay, they are going to tap here, they are going to enter the mobile number. If I tap here, I entered my mobile number. See, if I'm given to you people are going to enter my mobile number. Here I'm given my mobile number in a interaction. Please remember this point. Okay, Figma, they not allowed to create a input field. For example, if they tap, they able to get a mobile number like that. What if people able to do now? You able to show the animation. But if I want to provide a real-time experience, means if I'm given to you, you want to enter your mobile number. If I'm given to another person, that person they want to enter their mobile number. If I want to enter mobile number, then only they able to get a real-time experience. Here they are showing a phone animation. It's look like mobile phone. You able to get the experience, but that one is a real-time experience. Question. Please remember this particular point. Okay, please remember this particular point. Why? Laterally I will come. Okay, if they tap here, they are getting like this. If they tap here, they are waiting for a OTP. Like this animations happen. Laterally, they are getting a OTP. Laterally, if they tap the next page, they are going to that home page. Like that, if I'm given a screen to screen connections, right, this name we call a prototype. For do the high fidelity wireframing and prototype, what are the tools we need to learn? Figma, XD, Marvel, we are going to learn. And also for collaboration tool. Collaboration tool means already I told you, once we completed a design, we need to hand over the design to the developer. How I'm going to hand over the design to the developer means I have here two options. One is that Figma developer mode. Just now we discussed about the Figma developer mode. I'm showing the coding part, right? That is a Figma developer mode. Second one, I able to hand over my design through that Zeppelin software also. Is that one software? Through that software also I able to hand over. For example, if I designed means I'm going to hand over my design to that Zeppelin software. Developer, they are coming here, they able to get a coding part. They able to get my design. They able to develop the application. They able to get a application also. If they want to develop this particular page, if they want to develop this particular button, then that coding also is there here. So Zeppelin also is that one of your option to me to hand over the designs to the developer. Okay, it's a collaboration tool like that you just consider. Next one is that for remote usability testing, Maze, Archer. So just now we discussed about Maze, right? Those tools we need to learn. You people remember, right? This one, interactions. I just know I show you, right? So that's
Yes,
what people are going to learn for the remote usability testing. And storyboard. Storyboard means, for example, while I'm here in this particular part, defined area like that I told you, right?
Yes, sir.
Just give me a second.
In the beginning of the class.
In beginning of the class, define stage, user persona, user journey map, like that I told you, right? So in that particular area, what is that user story? Like that, if I want to tell now, I'm going to using a story type, I'm going to design one story. Okay, for that one story type like that, we are going to use one tool. And now I'm coming to that most important tool, name called here ProtoPy. What is the purpose of ProtoPy? Why ProtoPy? So ProtoPy is here one of your advanced level prototyping tool, one of your advanced level prototyping tool. Using this ProtoPy, what I able to provide means I able to provide a real-time experience to the people. What does it mean of real-time experience? Like that, if people are asking now, just give me a second, I will show that. For example, just now we discussed a login page in a Figma prototype, right? There, what are the negative point we are finding? I'm not able to enter my mobile number. If I tap, I'm getting a mobile number, but I'm not able to enter my mobile number. I entered or already pre-entered their mobile number there. Already I pre-entered. But if you are coming to the ProtoPy, if I tap here, what happened? See, I able to enter here my mobile number also. Through this one, what you able to get? You able to get a real-time experience before developing an application. Before developing an application, you people able to get a real-time experience. Not only the input field, guys, even though here we have a lot of options like a sound, tilt, compass, proxy, receiver, and also voice command. Google Alexa is there, right? So Google Alexa, like that, voice chats also be able to design here using the ProtoPy system. Okay, and why I told you people, definitely people need to learn your ProtoPy. So because this one is the number one advanced level prototyping tool. What are the companies they are using the ProtoPy like that people are asking? Now, Samsung, Microsoft, Google, Meta, your WhatsApp, Facebook, everything they, first of all, they are designing in a ProtoPy. Now you people just tell me almost all the top brands is there here. Then this is that industry leading tool, right? In 2025, definitely I'm going to tell you, this ProtoPy is going to lead a UI designer industry. For example, I'm back to the LinkedIn. You people know LinkedIn, right? I just search the keys name with ProtoPy Hyderabad. How much openings I'm getting here? 9, not 9 openings. Maybe you people are saying, sir, product manager, product. That one also it's under the UIX only. Product designer, product manager, everything it's come under the UIX only. Okay, if you want to get a UIX designer job in 2025, definitely you need to upskill in ProtoPy. Okay, so that ProtoPy you people are going to learn. And portfolio preparation with Behance, Primer, Webflow. This one laterly I will tell you deeply. Okay, and also for the research, Typeform, Art Survey, FigJam, Google Analysis. Typeform is there, right? Typeform and Storyboard. Recently I added I included in our syllabus. What I'm telling to people now, what is that industry standard now? currently in industry, what are the tools they are using. That tool only people are going to learn here. That means in interval time, we are updating our syllabus. So from your batch only, I included the StoryDrive. Before that batch only, I added a Typeform. So why Typeforms are like that? People are asking. Now, for example, Microsoft is a competitor of your Google. Those people definitely they're not going to use your Google technology. But those people research, they are using the Typeform. Got the point, right? Competitors is there, right? How they are going to use those competitor website? For that reason only. Okay. And for the low fidelity wireframing, Miro, Balsamic, content creation, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, graphic designing tool, Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, people are going to learn. Coming to that UI development part. Okay, here people are going to learn a UI development also. So UIX, it's purely about a zero coding department, right? Then why I want to learn HTML, CSS, Bootstrap? Like that people are asking now. Few of the companies, they are asking all-rounders. When you know the development also, definitely it's going to plus point for your profile for getting a short list. For example, as a designer, if you know a little bit knowledge in your development, then you're able to design better application. You know the limitations, you're able to design a better application. I'm correct. So for that reason only they are asking the UI development. We are offering the UI development. So through the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, what you're able to do means you're able to develop one website. Okay, so HTML, CSS, it's not a programming language. It's a hypertext language only. That one is not a big deal, guys. That one is a very easy one. If you know, definitely it's the plus point for your. Okay, and what are the projects people are going to do here? Not 12 plus live projects people are going to do for one grocery application, education platform, and AI, and port medical application, dynamic music player, traveling application, smart home application, and also dynamic music player, adaptive websites, Adobe, what is that? Apple Vision Pro, streaming platforms. Those applications, if people are going to do the design here. 12 plus live projects, real-time project, if people are going to do in our courses. So now I'm coming to that portfolio preparation. What is the meaning of portfolio? Once you people are completed your course, you people are start to apply the job like that you just considered. You need to, what you people are learned through this one, you need to show the skills through the portfolio one. That means case study like that also we are telling. You need to pick one application. What type of research you did, what are the design strategy you did, how you are sketched your application, like that you need to show. So normal case study, people are going to design in your Behance also, like this case study. You people are going to design in your using a what? Which app? Using a Behance, you people are going to design your case study. Same time, what you people are going to do now, you people are going to build your own website using a framework software. So what is that framework? For example, you people are applying a job. If I send that only resume, I'm getting a recruiter, they are getting an impression. Or if people are sending a resume along with your own website, they will get an impression. Own website is there means definitely they will get impression, right? So if people are going to design your own website using a framework without having any coding. Without having any coding, people are going to design your own website. What are the projects you people are did here? Okay, what's your profile, how to touch on with you, like that. You people are going to design your own website using a which software? Frameworks. Okay, so that one also you people are going to do in your portfolio section. And same time, we have a webflow also. Webflow also same like that frameworks only. Okay, these two things is there. Now I'm coming to that point. Here we have here three type of courses we are offering. One is that UI UX. Another one is that Master UI UX with content. Another one is that Mastering UI UX with 100% of placement. So here I mentioned, right, Figma, XD, Miro, Balsamic, Maze, Zeppelin, Marvel, Prototype. Those tools, it's included in your normal UI UX design course. Through the regular course, you're able to secure your job. Okay, I will tell you. So through those tools itself, you're able to secure your job. But when you people are coming to that master in UI UX, above mentioned all the tools is there, then the probability it will be get high. You're able to secure your job with your high package in a better way. Got the point, right? Through the UI UX design, regular UI UX design course, you're able to secure your job. And same time, when you people are coming to that master in UI UX, you're able to secure your job within a better way, in better package, in better position. Okay. So, for example, here you people are going to do the 6+ live projects. 6+ live projects you people are going to do here. Okay, but you people are coming to that master in UI UX, you people are going to do the 12+ live project. You people are did a 6+ live project, you people are able to get job in here as a intern. Okay, because you people are fresher for this particular field, right? Maybe they will add you as the intern only. But when you people are coming to that masters, you people are going to learn all the advanced level tool. You people are going to get a industry expert how much skills they have. I promise to you people this. Once you people are joining this course in industry, 5 years experience candidate, how much knowledge they have, that knowledge I'm going to give on to you people. Okay, through that one, you able to secure your full-time job as a full-time employee. Got the point, right? Because here if people are doing a 12 plus projects, if people are going to. Then you people are getting a better experience, then you're able to secure your full-time job. But when you people are doing a 6+ live project, definitely you're able to secure your job, but the chances is too high for a intern only. Got the point, right? So now I'm coming to that point. So what is the course duration, sir? Like that people are asking now. It's that course duration is that 3 months for the regular course, master in UX 6 to 8 months. So 6 to 8 months means 6 to 8 months you people are not going to only learn. First 4 months you people are going to learn. Last 4 months you people are going to prepare your portfolio. You people are preparing your resume, your placement also will be get started. That means if people are completed a 12 plus live project, if people are completed your portfolio means, then we are going to move you to the placement. Okay, you able to secure your job within a 8 months timeline. Okay, and also I told you, right, begins. When you people are coming a regular UX, you able to get begins. But when you people are coming to that master in UX, you able to get your begins Framer Webflow also. And I told you few of the advanced tools, StoryTribe, Framers Webflow, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. It's available only in a master in UX only. Master content also it's available. You no need to worry about that one. And coming to that point, practice section. For the regular course, if in case if people are coming for a offline section, 1 hour you're able to do the practice here, 1 hour is a section. And when you people are coming to that master in UX, 1 hour section, 3 hours is a practice section. You're able to sit here, you're able to do the practice. So coming to the training mode, for regular course, you people are having both online and offline. If you are picking a content, that one is available offline and online also. But if you want to join in a master in UX with 100% of placement guaranteed program, if you want to join, you need to come only in the offline section. You need to come into that offline section only. Okay, so this is the point, guys. Now I'm coming to that next one. Maybe people are having a doubt. Sir, actually, I have the doubt. UI UX, it's good for my career or not? So that is my $1 million question, sir. Like that, maybe people are having a doubt. Definitely, I will tell you, UI UX, it's good for your career. You no need to worry about any kind of AI. Why? For example, ChatGPT. It's AI. Who they design ChatGPT? UI UX designer only. In your mobile phone, for example, Android 14, they launched a circle search feature. That is that AI, right? That AI, who they design? UI designer only they design. Even though in future, any devices it's coming also, if I want to interact with the device, what I needed, I need one interface. That interface, who they are going to do the design? UI designer only they are going to do the design. Definitely, no one they're not able to replace a UI designer. I promise that next 35 years, you people are having a good scope in your UX. Sir, after 35, sir, after 35 years, sir, you no need to worry about that one because you people are getting a retirement. Even though your grandson that time it start to learn, you plan to come to industry means you tell to your grandson, hey, go and learn UI UX. Like that, you're able to tell. That much we have a bright future. And day by day demand is getting increased. Top 4 high-pay salary. You're able to work in your 2 era, product-based, service-based. Both the companies you're able to work. And averagely, you're able to get that salary of your 5 LPA in Hyderabad. Okay, I'm just telling that average salary. Okay, got the point, right? So you're able to secure your job with that good package also. After completing this course, what are the roles I'm able to apply, sir? Like that, people are asking now, UX designer, UI designer, UI UX designer, researcher, writer, architect, strategist, and product designer, product manager. Product designer, product manager also it's come under the UI UX only. Okay, so product means what, sir? Alexa, smartwatch. Got the point, right? Smartwatch and tracking devices. That all the things it's a product. That product we are going to design there. So product designer also you're able to secure your job and your career guys. When you people are joining junior UI designer, laterally UI designer, senior designing manager, designing director. This is your career path. And also apart from our course, what are the things you people are going to skill up means? Through our course, what are the things you people are going to skill up means? Strong collaboration skill, creative thinking, problem solving skill, effective communication, innovative idea. Okay, those things you people are going to skill up through our courses. And here I'm going to conduct your mock interviews also. Okay, and I'm not only going to train you people guys, I'm going to mentor you people one-to-one. For example, if I'm assigning one daily, people are having an assignment task. You people need to do that one. If in case you people not do that one like that, you just consider. If in case you people not doing that one like that, you just consider. I'm going to connect with you one-to-one. I'm going to ask you why you people not completed. For example, Manikanta. Almost everyone they completed a fifth live project, sixth live project. Now only it's completed a third live project. I connect with that person. I asked him why. He told me some of the reason. What I did, I given a input to that person. Now that person they submitted a third project. So like that one-to-one mentorship also I'm going to provide. And also I'm going to conduct a mock interviews. Through the mock interviews, what you people able to get means where you people need to focus on and where I want to improve your skill. Like that, we are getting some clarity. So those all the things is about my mock interviews. What the data, what the feedback I'm given to those people. Like that, you people are getting that one also. I'm going to mentor you people one-to-one. So this is that last mock interview data for my previous batch students, where they need to improve, focus on UI element, focus on a color selection. Like that, clearly I am here. And also I'm going to focus in-depthly to that master students. If people are doing or if people not doing, where if people are having a lag, if people are submitted on time or not, what's your assignment stage, what's your mock interview data, like that, clearly, each and every point, I'm going to note down, I'm going to monitor you people separately, those who are joining for a master in UI UX. And same time, if people have any doubt, you're able to connect with me one-to-one, you're able to ask your doubts, you're able to get a clarity. Okay. And you people are going to learn this UI UX through the LMS platform, guys. You people are having a separate portal. Through the portal, what I am taken on the day, that recorded video only we are going to provide. You people are going to get a daily recorded video. You people are getting a material, everything you people are getting through that portal only. Okay, we have a separate portal for you people. Through the portal, I'm going to provide that entire thing to you people. Materials, recorded video, everything I'm going to provide. Okay. So now once again, I will recall those topics. Today, what are the things we discussed? So today, what are the things we discussed, guys? We discussed about what is it UI and UX and how to become a successful UI UX designer. What are the tools we want to learn? Like that we discussed. And also what is that stuff of one UI UX designer and why the company they are hiring a UI UX designer. Like that we discussed today. So this is all about the today's session. And tomorrow we are going to do that in-depth discussion about that one with your practical examples. Okay. By tomorrow onwards, we are going to do the discussion about those things. This is all. Just give me a second. Okay, this is all about today's session. So just give me a second.